Hi guys, so how to fix Snapchat common problems? First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless add networks. Enable the airplane mode for 2 seconds and disable it, and then go back, open the apps manager in your settings. On this page you will find all the apps. Click on Snapchat, click on force stop. Click on notifications management, enable all the notifications. Go back, click on permissions, make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Go back, click on data usage, make sure also here to enable all the network access options. And the last thing you want to do here is click on storage, click on clear data and clear cache. After that, you have to click on this open by default right here, and then make sure to click on these options and choose always allow. Now restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.